You don't just want an attorney that knows everything that has to be done in the courtroom and everything that has to be done in the law books. You want someone who understands what you're going through.
When we started out, it was us against the world.
When you have a teenager, you worry. You hope and you pray that they will be safe.
I was the only black person in my division training people to supervise me.
My wife just had the baby. I mean, things couldn't get better.
I never thought that it would end, but it did.
I was on my way to work from school one day when a truck ran me off the road. But before I knew it, he hit me.
My rights as an employee were being violated on a regular basis. I didn't know that his behavior was illegal.
What they need the most is able and competent representation, a lawyer who understands, a lawyer who can handle it, and a lawyer who cares. That's where I come in.
Hiring and consulting Dwayne Jones has helped change my life.
He walked with me through every stage of my case. He was honest with me.
You see, Mr. Jones made sure everything was taken care of.
He made those insurance companies do what they were supposed to do.
It was a whole new beginning.
Now my little one is running around here, and I'm chasing after him.
I know what I'm doing, I know what you're going through, and I know how to get you to the other side.
Let a man who is known for handling his business handle yours.
Mr. Jones.
When we started out, it was us against the world. I never thought that it would end, but it did. I mean, we tried counseling, we tried to see if we could fix it ourselves, but nothing worked. And we had to accept that there was just no other choice. I had never felt so alone. My boss referred me to Mr. Jones, and he was amazing. He explained to me what my options were, and he understood that making the decision to end my marriage was difficult, to say the least. I was able to have the best affordable legal counsel with Mr. Jones. And he handled my case with compassion, and honestly, I can't thank him enough for that. What seemed like an ending wasn't. He helped me realize it was a whole new beginning.
When you have a teenager, you worry. You hope and you pray that they will be safe. The day my son Ryan was hit after school on his way to his job by a tractor trailer, I thought I was going to die. It was the hardest day of my life. When I saw those pictures, I couldn't believe my baby made it out alive.
Every time I leave the house, my mom was always telling me, you know, be careful, wear your seatbelt, pay attention, don't be texting. I don't know if she only worried about me and she's only looking out for my well-being, but I was on my way to work from school one day when a truck ran me off the road. As I seen him getting closer to me, I tried to speed up to get away from him. But before I knew it, he hit me.
A coworker told me about Mr. Jones, and he was a godsend. He fought for my son like he was family. He made those insurance companies do what they were supposed to do.
Because these things are on the road, there's an entire special body of law that deals with them. It makes them different when you're in a regular car wreck with someone else. You need an attorney that knows that body of law, that knows what to do, and that will enforce all of your rights.
I've been there for 5 years, trained 3 associates who all head up a department. I felt helpless. How could I challenge a big corporation, especially with the layoffs in this economy? I was the only black person in my division training people to supervise me. A friend from church recommended Mr. Jones. He helped me out a lot. He walked me through every step of my case. He was honest with me, about my employment discrimination case, and he helped me receive more than a favorable outcome.
When I no longer felt comfortable in the presence of my previous employer, I didn't know that his behavior was illegal and that my rights as an employee were being violated on a regular basis. Ultimately, his disrespectful comments and off-color jokes and remarks led me to confide in a friend who told me that she was experiencing the same thing on her job. She also told me about attorney E. Dwayne Jones and how he helped her put an end to her sexual harassment. Consulting and hiring Dwayne Jones has changed my life and helped me regain my confidence by putting an end to an awful situation. Hiring and consulting Dwayne Jones has helped change my life. It's given back my sense of confidence and empowerment on my job. Attorney Dwayne Jones is known for handling his business and handling it well. And because of this, my case didn't make it to court. I was compensated with a settlement that was more than fair, and it helped me to regain my confidence and sense of empowerment.
I was working at my job for the past 2 years, and my wife had the baby. I mean, things couldn't get any better. But I was on my way home from work one day. I had no idea that my life was about to change. You see, this guy behind me, he was texting on his phone, not paying attention to the road. Plowed right into me. I was in the hospital for almost a month. I mean, I spent the next 2 months chasing after this insurance company trying to get a settlement, and they wouldn't even pick up the phone.
We deal with the hospital, we deal with the doctors, and we deal with the bill collectors.
You see, but Mr. Jones, he changed all of that. I mean, as soon as he took my case, everything changed. He made sure I had what I needed. And while I was taking my time to get better, you see, Mr. Jones made sure everything was taken care of. Medical bills, physical therapy, damages, lost wages, I mean, you name it. You know, that could have been the worst time of my life. But because of my beautiful wife and Mr. Jones, they made sure I didn't give up. Now my little one is running around here, and I'm chasing after him. Mr. Jones.